Pause for a moment. If this video reached you now, allow yourself to stay. Nothing here is by chance. This is a space of calm, protection, and inner alignment. Take a deep breath. Release your shoulders. Let the pace slow down. There is a quiet force that walks with you, even when you are not aware of it. It does not rush. It does not pressure. It simply guides. Today, allow this presence to bring order to your thoughts and serenity to your heart. Perhaps your mind feels full. Perhaps there is a decision waiting. Perhaps the tiredness runs deeper than you show. Here, you don't need to explain anything. You don't need to prove anything. You only need to be. Imagine a soft light forming around you, not intense, steady, protective. This light does not come to change who you are. It comes to protect what is already true within you. With every breath, allow the weight to ease. What is not yours to carry can be released now. What is beyond your control does not need to stay in your hands. Everything has its time, and there is unseen care working even when you rest. You are not late. You are not lost. You are being guided with precision. When fear appears, it is not weakness. It is the heart asking for safety. And safety begins when you remember you do not walk alone. There is protection in small details, care in quiet moments, direction even when the path feels unclear. Allow your thoughts to settle now, as if each one finds its place. Urgency fades, noise softens, clarity begins to rise. You do not need all the answers today, only the next calm step. There is a greater wisdom guiding meetings, delays, and changes of direction. What did not move forward before was not rejection, it was preparation. What feels like silence is often protection. If something ended recently, trust that it was redirection, not loss. If something has not begun yet, trust that it is being aligned. What belongs to you is never taken. What does not belong will not stay. Bring your attention now to your heart, not to what hurts, but to what still believes. Even when tired, there is a quiet strength within you, a steadiness that does not depend on circumstances. This strength grows when you choose trust. Let the sense of protection expand, like a calm field around you. Nothing meant to harm can remain here. Nothing meant to confuse can hold ground. What stays is what brings balance, clarity, and peace. If thoughts return, do not fight them. Observe, let them pass. They do not define you. They move through you. You are the calm space where everything happens. A safe path is unfolding. It may not look exactly as you imagined, but it is more stable than it seems. Trust the subtle signs, the quiet confirmations, the feeling of this makes sense even without logic. True protection does not remove challenges. It ensures you are not facing them alone. It brings learning, growth, and return to center. And whenever you drift, something gently guides you back. Now, bring to mind something that has been worrying you. No details, just the feeling. Breathe in. Release. You do not need to solve everything now. Care continues even after this video ends. Choose today to be gentle with yourself. Respect your pace. Release unnecessary pressure. Clarity comes when the body relaxes. Answers come when the mind softens. You are being supported, even on difficult days, even when doubt appears. There is purpose in your path. Order is rearranging itself. Protection is constant. Carry this calm with you.
into the rest of your day, into your next choices, and whenever you need, return to this state. If this moment brought peace to your heart, stay connected. More messages of balance, protection, and clarity are here. Follow the channel, turn on notifications, and share this space with someone who needs calm. Take one more breath. Trust, you are exactly where you need to be.